South Africa is a funny place to live in, people. Right now, I'm just chilling. It's Sunday, and then the next thing I saw this interview of Zandile. This gentleman asked Zandile, "What do you think about frontline states?" And then, firstly, Zandile don't listen to questions. Secondly, Zandile don't know how to say, "I beg your pardon," or elaborate or explain your question properly. She just jumped like a dog, seeing a bone. She said, no, no, no. You see, we Operation Dudula, when we formed Operation Dudula, we adopted Freedom Charter. Okay? Because we saw this country doesn't have a leadership. It's on autopilot. And she likes that autopilot. And I like that autopilot word, people, or autopilot phrase. But now she's using this autopilot everywhere. Come on, use autopilot at the right time, Zandile. Now she said, now this guy come again and said, no, 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 Zandile. I'm asking you, what do you think about frontline states in connection with liberation struggle? And then she said, no, 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 no. We're going to fight for the people, you see. We're going to fight whatever it takes. We're going to fight for the poor masses of this country. And then the guy for the third time said, the question is, what do you think about frontline states in connection with Umzabalazo? And then another time, and then she came, you. And then this guy said, no, 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 the other guy. He said, no, no, she doesn't know anything about the frontline states. It's embarrassing. When you don't understand the question, Zandile, you say, I beg your pardon. Explain, elaborate. Never answer a question you don't understand. It's like you prepare the answers without knowing the question paper in a test. You have your answers in your head. And when the guy asks 1 + 1, because you prepared 4, you just say 4. And 1 + 1 will never be 4. Have a good evening, Dobab. Operation Tutula leaders, give political classes, please. You are embarrassing the poor girl.
Hi guys, Operation Tutula Midnight Day. Hi, Operation Midnight Day. Guys, Operation Tutula leader doesn't know what frontline state mean. This question, it was so simple. So simple. This was based on a war in the borders. This is a simple question. This is a public defender or a public enemy. So Zandile Tabula doesn't know a frontline state mean. What kind of a leader is that? If you know a frontline state mean, you should consider yourself as a public defender or a public enemy. But as you don't know a frontline state mean, which means you're a public enemy because you don't know what we are fighting for. Which means all the people who are voting for Operation Tutula, they don't know what are they voting for. They don't know what are they fighting for. So you Zandile Tabula just embarrassed herself. You on national TV, on national TV. Zandile Tabula.
Exactly. And this is the problem in South Africa. Loudmouth, 30% matric pass, mediocre people who feel entitled to jobs. She is the head of a political party and feels entitled to go to parliament just because she expresses hate for foreigners. She's got no skills, nothing to offer, but just hatred. And there will be people that will vote for this particular person to go into parliament. This is what we're seeing in South Africa. She's unemployable, clearly. And now when people don't get employment in the private sector that doesn't tolerate his ignorance, they go into politics and they're voted for just by merely hating foreigners. Frontline states are the countries that I always tell you about that border South Africa, the neighbors of South Africa, that went to war with the Boers and defeated the Boers in the border wars in order to free South Africa. But no, you don't listen to me. You can listen to Aikumalo, you listen to Tabula.
Yabona nxa ungusomathuba you will get exposed in front of the cameras like lo sisi lo abave bam expose ngombuzo nje umbuzo uqonda lo mbuzo lo hey hayi uyachaza ukuthi le organization yabo kanye le party yabo ayikho into abayaziyo affairs ye-country, everything edibenisene. The only thing abayaziyo kuyidudula nqa kududula. Other than that nothing, akho nto empty xa kwengumbuzo. I think uZandile kanje mabafunde kubantu abanjengo General uMkhwanazi unazo zonke impawu zoba yi-leader okanye abe ngu-president, but ngomlomo wakhe utsho ukuthi yena asoze abe ngu-president wekhani, even if abantu bambona as uba angangu-president, kodwa yena uyayazi passion yakhe iphi. And ukulwa i-crime ayithi loo nto makenziwe u-president, because being a president is not only about ukulwa i-crime. Uthi uNhlanhla uMkhwanazi lo uthandwa iSouth Africa yonke uthi akakwazi uba ngu-president because uyazazi ubana ngaba uhamba amiphi, but abantu abanje bafuna uba ngo-president. uZandile wazi into eyi-1 ukududula xa. Other than that nothing, akho nto ayaziyo. Lost osomathuba ke abantu abanjani azikho impawu zobolida. Mabafunde kwabanye abantu, and if uyamamela uMkhwanazi nxa ethetha uyamva ubana ngaba uphelele ukuya nokubuya kule nto ayenzayo. But xa uzokuhlulakala ngumbuzo onja and then wena you are a leader of a political party, next ufuna uphathi lizwe, because let's say next year win elections idudula iphathi ilona zoyazi xa isulwa ngumbuzo onje. And becimba uzawubuza ubana kanjani mabahambe kanjani bathini. Ayiphelelanga apho ilizwe, aliphelelanga egqotheni abantu qha. Sikhona ii-challenges uba kufanele ucinge critical, usebenzise ukucinga. But ke nxa uzingomathuba usebenzisa icinga. Even oGayton McKenzie after bedudule bafumana ivoti bangena baku-GNU, they forget about yonke loo nto yomdudulo. If bebe-serious beyothi ngoku Minister of Sport athi nxa ifika estadium abe-18 athi akabafuna abathile, but just because wayefumana le nto wayeyifuna wadlapha cwaka ajikela bonke abo bantu bakhe, akasayithethi kwaloo nto because le nto wayeyifuna wayeyifumene. Hayi yabona apha kule video le yakhe ababe-exposile frontline state. Buza umbuzo kuthiwa ucinga ntoni ngaloo nto. akazi kumnyama tsu ebusweni benkawu.
Kodwa guys, singamhleka uZandile sithi akayazi Frontline State ukuthi kuyini. But mawungahlala phansi ujulisa umqondo, ucheck i-definition ye-Frontline State versus i-political ideology Operation Dudula. Akumelanga vele information yalo bayikhulume ebantwini. Ngoba if ama-Frontline States sikhuluma nge-coalition of Southern African countries ayayikhona to make sure ukuthi baqede apartheid in South Africa. And yena uZandile is fighting ama-foreigners ukuthi aphume South Africa. And ungabhekisisa kahle kahle, one of ama-Frontline States kwakuyiZimbabwe, and she is fighting so hard ukulwa lamaZimbabwean. So bona azathi bona vele kahle kahle bayafuna yini ukuthi kuvele ukuthi Zimbabwe was part of ama-countries ayefuna ukuqeda i-apartheid in South Africa. I don't think so, because le information angaqala ukuyitshela abantu bazombuza ukuthi so if iZimbabwe ya risk to an extent yokuthi ya make sure ukuthi apartheid yaphela South Africa, why are you fighting them? Yabe ngasela answer. So I think if omunye angacabanga outside the box athi yena no, uZandile into le ubeyazi but udecide ukungayikhulumi ngoba uyakwazi izojeopardize ama-efforts akawazamayo. I think lo muntu masiku sisesikolo siku history analyze in that way, mina ngamnikeza 25 out of 25 ngoba uyabe analyze ngendlela correct, because truly speaking the way uZandile azonda khona amaZimbabwe, I don't think ukuthi kuyavuma ukuthi a describe mbachasisa ukuthi what is a Frontline State. Masikhuluma nge-liberation struggle South Africa, akuvumi at all, akuvumi. Ingazi lingangicorrecta manje wrong but akuvumi.
Ngizakutshela kangaki Zandile, ngizakutshela kangaki ukuthi hlukana nepolitics, sihlukana nepolitics. It's not for you, it's not for you ipolitics. Beka manje sekubuza imibuzo eqhakathekileyo, yini of Frontline States, awukwazi nokuthi i-Frontline State yini. Siswami vele ngabona bekubuza lo mbuzo ukuthi la lapha kuzohamba wrong la, lapha ngeke uhambe kahle. I-Frontline State Zandile, i-Frontline State Siswami, it's basically a term that is used to it's a term that is used to what, Kanti? It's a term that is that refers to a coalition actually of Southern African countries that helped against the liberation of apartheid in South Africa. It runs along those terms. I don't know the rest of the meaning, but it's somewhere around there. Yabo. Yegelani i-politics imali ngafundanga, hlukana ne-politics. You know, stick to what you know. Beka manje suzo embarrassa the whole country in front of national TV. Abantu bazocabanga ukuthi abantu base South Africa they are dumb ngenxa yakho. Guys, is this the person you want to be your president? Nguye lo president when this person will run the country down in no time. Umuntu ongakwazi nokuze explainer ukuthi i-Frontline States yini. You're lucky they even asked you that question. Kanti bantu bedudula vele lina lifunde kuphi? Kumbe lafunda ukududula nje kuphela, yikho lokho la kufunda. Hlukanani nepolitics, anazi lutho ngepolitics. Zandile no Victoria siyalicela hlukanani nepolitics. Bekanana nezinto enizaziyo nina. Ihlukane nabantu nje, niye uxosha abantu ningawazi lutho nokuthi niyenzani. Awukwazi ukuthi yini Frontline politics. Siswami, I could see the pressure in your face. Ngibonile nje ukuthi bathe bekubuza lo mbuzo ngendlela bogagasa ngayo siswami, ngiyacela hlukana nepolitics, hlukana.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Guys, people are so happy. People who don't like Zandile Dabula, they are so excited after interview yakhe nabetindzaba labambuta khona ukuthi kabangani mabakhuluma nge-Frontline States, and she couldn't define it and didn't even know ukuthi ma-Frontline States yini. And people are so happy ukuthi a empty vessel that's making a lot of noise into leyo yatiko njena kuthi aye emaklinika utshela abantu ukuthi abahambe abangangeni emakliniki but empty vessel lenda msindo nje kuphela uyanhlanhlatha mbambuta ama-questions she doesn't know how to answer questions he doesn't even like she didn't even want to say ukuthi okay please elaborate, I don't understand what you're saying, can you please explain what you mean mawukhuluma ngema-frontline states. And people are saying ukuthi ngiyo le president leni sento yivotela leli ngathi lutho bathi akati lutho question nje uphendula i-question without understanding, and people are so mean to her, dragging her lapha enkundleni bathi akashongo ngani kokuthi elaborate, I don't understand, or athi ngicela ungi-explainele ukuthi what are frontline. So please do comment ukuthi niqabangani ngaloku lokushiwo ngazandile lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana, ulike le video. Mina nawe sibonana kule nsha le dawo. I'm signing out. Goodbye.